how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Spinosaurus. Okay, Spinosaurus has been adjusted. He is now more of a water dinosaur. That's pretty much it. We're going to hop right into this, okay? So it's going to be easy for beginners, and let's get started. So I'm going to start here with a head because I think that's like a great place to start. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw just a bump right there for the top of the eye. Over here for the center of the head. Up. Down for kind of the front of the face. Gonna find the bump over here for the other brow. Essentially the brow is like over the eye. That's very important because pretty much everything has a brow. We have a brow, and it's really to kind of guard the eye. It evolved that way so that rain won't fall in it, random stuff won't fall in it. I'm gonna go over here now. I'm gonna draw a curve for the actual eye. Curve underneath. Line over here. Line over here. Line over here. Line over here. Cool, cool, cool. I'm gonna go back, down, back of the head. Gonna go right here on this side, and I'm gonna do a curve, like an upward curve on the front, and then a downward curve around the side, right there. And then I'm gonna put another curve right here for the cheekbone, like so. Right on. Gonna go over here, line down for the kind of skin on the side of the cheekbone. By the way, if you like dinosaurs, don't forget, hit the subscribe button. I'm doing a large series of realistic dinosaurs like this, okay? Hit the subscribe, click the bell notification. I'll put the playlist down below. I'm gonna start separating the playlist between cutesy cartoon dinosaurs and more realistic ones. So I'll show you guys that hopefully in the description. Line in. Down over here and pull underneath here for the lower jaw. Back down here, right? I'm gonna slowly pull this way, keep going this way over here. This way, and then curve up over here. Curve up. Right on. Before we draw the teeth in, let's draw the neck. Curve in right here. Pulling back. Gonna find it's kind of coming at us, so there's some perspective. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to draw that fan he has on the back, like so. Then line out over here with a tail. All right. Line down here. Curve. Line up. Elbow, because his hand's kind of coming outward a little bit. Pulling up. Now I'm going to draw this. So this is the shoulder of the elbow, right? Now the elbow down to the wrist. Line over here. Line over here. Line down. Curve back for one nail. Curve back over here for the other nail. Put line here, line right here. Down over here, in. Up. Curve up. Line out over here. Curve over here. Downward and downward here. This is obviously the far end hand, right? Don't forget, by the way, hit the like button, like I said, and hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. That stuff just helps the channel, but it also helps you, right? I post a lot of lessons on here, especially dinosaur ones. Curve right here, curve right here. Line, line. Line over here this way. Right on. I'm gonna go right here down kind of at the belly area. pull back up over here, down for the leg. I'm going to go right here and kind of find the hind part of the leg. Down. Curve as the knee is bent over here, okay? Like watch it that way. Curve over here. And I'm going to pull back down over here to kind of have the calf. Line, downward. And now I'm going to find the long kind of like, I was going to say talons, but long feet over here. Line. Line up. Curve. Curve over here. And then we have the tail over there on this side. We're trying to fit the tail into the scene right here for the most part. Gonna go right here, line, just kind of seeing the scooping upward of the spine right there. Line over here, line, just like a thin line, kind of showing that it's doing that. Curve over here, and now I'm gonna go over the teeth. And I'm gonna go, just throw some teeth right here, and I want them to slightly curve back, like it's pulling stuff in. And then let's put the nostril. I think the nostril's kind of far back. I'm not sure though. I think it is. Over here for the teeth underneath. Line over here. Downward. Go over here. Kind of a vein on the side there. Kind of like add some, you know, dimension to it. Ear. And then from this point on, you can draw like thin little curves around the mouth, and you can also draw thin little curves to kind of make it look like scales. Just kind of put them randomly all over the place. Not like, don't cover it totally, but just kind of spots here and there. And it will it'll do something called indication. If you want to learn more about drawing in general, go to the main website, sketchingeasy.com, and there's a beginner drawing course. Like if you want to start from scratch, beginner, go to sketchingeasy.com and click the dragon. I forgot the foot back here. Let's draw the other foot. On that side, down over here, curve. But like if you want to start from scratch, as far as like you want to get the pencil under control, things like that, like you don't want shaky hands. If you have shaky lines, go over there and check that out. That is incredibly amazing resource that I made for free. So go take a look at that. I hope you have an amazing time. And that's pretty much it for the lesson. If you like this, please reach out to me, say hi to me, and say you liked it, or say you can draw curved lines here. I can do another video just on shading if you guys ever want me to do that. But stuff like that is on the other page, is on the official website. So go take a look at that. You're amazing, guys. If you enjoyed this, share the video. It really helps out when you do that. So thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next video.